Something falling down. Okay. Your name and where are you from?
My name is Handy from China.
Coming from China!
Honey!
Chinese people have good skin. Okay. It's not balanced. Are you ready?
Yes.
What is your job?
I love tea.
You love him. That's your job. Are you married? Good. Okay. Let's pick who is your fashion designer? Ready?
Yes.
Yes, music! The show is tomorrow night. Nothing. You better go find a lawyer and sue. Okay, thank you very much. That is good. Okay. Next, your name please? Elsa. And what is your job? A tour manager.